First, get an empty shampoo bottle or even an empty water bottle. Here I used an empty shampoo bottle because that's just what I had. Then peel off any labels and clear it out with water. It doesn't have to be like super dry because you're going to end up filling it with water later. Now you're going to get a piece of A4 paper and put it under your bottle and then make markings to like mark the size of your fish and get an idea of how big your fish are going to look in the bottle. Make sure not to make them too big so they can actually fit in from the mouth of the bottle. You can make as many fishes as you want to put in this bottle, or you can even just make it an aquarium for just one fish. And you can design your fishes the way you want, or you can do them the way I did in this video. I decided to do a pufferfish, 2 matching fishes, and a crab. And once you're done sketching out your little fishes, it's time for color. You can color them however way you want. You could do them with a little color theme, and yeah. Once you're done coloring your fish, grab a pair of scissors and carefully cut them out. Here you can actually flip them around and color in the same design on the other side, but here I chose not to. Once you're done cutting them out, grab a piece of clear tape and put it on your first fish. Then pull the piece of tape up again with the fish stuck up against it. Remember to press down on it to make sure that there are no air bubbles. Then grab your pair of scissors and cut around the tape, as closely as you can to the edges of the fish. Don't forget about the back of the fish. You need to cover that up in tape too. Once you're done taping up your fish from both sides, grab the bottle from before and put them in. Once you're done fitting in all of your fish, fill up the bottle to the very brim with tap water. You should get something like this. If you want to design your aquarium, grab a piece of paper and draw an accessory of your choosing. Then, cut it out and cut a small piece of tape to put on top of it, and then stick that piece of tape onto the outside of the bottle. Here I did a little mustache and tried to move the fish around to wear the mustache, but I wasn't so successful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified when the new artsy idea comes out.